If the barcode scanner window crazes, Tassimo pods are no longer recognised. In this video I show how I've resolved the problem without disassembling the machine. So I've washed as much as I can of the polishing material off, and you can see that if I can get that to focus, okay, the window is definitely not perfectly clean. It's really hard to get the Dremel to do an even job when you're using a curved surface. Okay, but I've now popped a disc in. The disc type is Kenko Americano Grande. I don't know why, but these seem to be particularly susceptible to not working. Yeah, so if I just show you, for some reason, I don't know what the barcode on this one is, but it seems to work more often than these red ones do, with all the crazing on the barcode scanner window. But anyway, with that window now as clean as it is, hopefully you can see, I'm going to close the lid. You can see it's immediately been recognised and come up correctly. With all the crazing, all of these lights are just blinking. And the only way to get the machine to work when it's crazing, if you don't want to polish it like I have, or disassemble the machine, which I haven't in this instance with this machine, I have with my previous machine, is to soak the barcode reader in water. So wipe it with a wet cloth until it basically the water fills all the cracks.